The MapThat Control Layers tool is available from the Layer Tools menu and is underneath the Control Layers submenu. It has four options. It enables you to edit or change the style of existing features, also edit their visibility or scale dependency, an option to zoom to the extents of any spatial data, and a copyright tool. So firstly, let's turn a couple of layers on. Let's turn on a boundary layer such as Liverpool wards, and then let's turn on a points of interest layer such as some leisure centres. Now we have two extra layers within our map. If we press Control Layers, notice that any layer displayed within the map is shown in the Control Layer tool. Firstly, we've got options for reordering layers, so we could move the leisure centres, which are points, below the wards. This enables you to hide layers, but also to promote layers. So in this example, let's now move the leisure centres back up so they sit above the wards. Extra options include Edit Style. So for the leisure centres, if we highlight that layer, let's press Edit Style and a style palette appears. Now in this case, leisure centres are points, so we can change their point style to a different feature. In this case, I'll choose a blue dot, and if we press the Save and Apply button, that makes the change. Let's do the same for the wards. Let's highlight the wards layer. Let's press Edit Style, and this time, because the data is a polygon or spatial data, we're going to choose a fill colour, so we'll choose a light blue, and a stroke colour, maybe a darker blue. In addition, we can change the thickness of line around the edge, so we could make that slightly thinner, and again by pressing Save and Apply, the changes are made. So we can change the style of any pre-existing features within MapThat. We can also change the options when a layer turns on or off. So in this case here is the leisure centres. If there's too much information, you can highlight the layer and you can edit its visibility. So at the moment our current zoom level is 12. If we change that to be 14 and apply that style, notice how the leisure centres auto turn off because they're not available at this zoom level of 12. But if we start to zoom into the map, zoom level 13, 14, and the leisure centres reappear. In addition to that, we have a zoom to extent. So if we highlight the wards layer, this allows you to zoom to the entirety, the east, west, north and south of any data set. Let's press zoom to extents and we see the whole of Liverpool again. Finally, there's an option for copyright. So any of your layers, they could be external layers or internal layers, can have a copyright option where you can put a copyright statement and a link maybe to a particular website. Finally, what we'll do is we'll save this now as our own session or project. So if I save session, we'll say yes. We'll give this a name. We'll call it Blue Wards in Liverpool. Press OK. And we've now saved a session that we can come back to at any time. Sessions have a date. We can open a session and we can manage our sessions and delete them if we need to.